So we gonna. Oh wow. Okay, priority. This is a tough team. This is a tough team. So we have priority blocking. We have fake out with Raichu. We have that's an interesting team. It's definitely gonna possible mega. What's his face? Lucario. This is an interesting team. So okay. So I think we're gonna lead this. We're gonna lead these and a little fairy protection isn't bad, actually. So let's see. Yeah, this is fine. Let's see how it goes. This could be tough though. I'm guessing he uses that's a good team though. That's a good team. I'd respect it. That's an interesting lead. That's a very interesting lead. So I'm suspecting that he uses is he gonna grass slap me? I'm gonna go protect here, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna try parting shot. He's gonna try the anti-parting shot. He's gonna suspect it. So I am going to use light screen first. No switches. Interesting. Okay. So which means he's gonna go in. He's going straight out offense. Huh. Okay. Hyper voice. Yeah, he's like straight up just like, oh, I'm going for your Grimstar. Interesting. Sure. That works. Okay, so we got Goldie. I really didn't expect him to stay in there though. That's quite interesting. Can I KO the Lucario? Probably. He's probably gonna think, let this go. Let's protect him this. Let's see how it goes. Pelipper. He went straight for my Grimmsnarl. Helly? Wait, did I Mega? Please tell me I Mega'd. I don't remember Megaing. Okay, good. Okay, so we Mega. Does he go for Protect here? Yep. Protect to the Sylveon. Nothing on the Lucario. Well, he's gonna use a move. Does he go for Thunder Punch? The spell. Okay. Alright, we got the Lucario. We have light screen up though. This team seems to be special attackers maybe. Deli. Am I faster than this thing? Most likely. It's gonna Mega, so I can't use what's it called? We're gonna double. Is he gonna use Heat Wave? It doesn't make sense using Heat Wave. Just in case, I'm gonna use Tailwind. Yep. I'm gonna use Tailwind. I should use Earthquake again. Just for a little bit of insurance. I'm gonna, if I survive, yeah, it's gonna use Hyper Voice. If I survive this, no problem. So I am going to, let's see, Wave Crash into this guy. Wait, I don't have Arc. I forgot I don't have Arcaladon. And I am going to Wave Crash and Weather Ball. I gotta get rid of this threat. Let me try to double protect. Alright, Wave Crash definitely takes it out. Huh? Focus Sash? Wait, so which means who is the Mega? Who's the Mega? That's interesting. Okay. Who's the Mega? Did he bring a Mega? Did you bring a Mega? I mean, that's gonna hurt, but my stream still up. Citrus heal up my Pelipper. What's your another Pokemon though? What's your other Pokemon, my guy? Huh. Raichu. Oh, got the Mega Raichu. I see. Right, so we're gonna just go straight for Earth. We're gonna use Protect here. And Protect. And let's switch into Golden though. I'm predicting a straight up fake out here. Really? X? People don't really use X much. That's interesting to see. No one has ever used X on me. Roll tackle. Into. Really? Yo! That gotta be a crit though. It's a crit? Yo, that is so... Okay, that's unfortunate though. That is unfortunate. I hate that. I really hate that. Okay, at least my Tailwind's still up though. Wow, that's crazy. I probably have one more turn of Tailwind. I hope. Let's see. Tailwind, yeah, one more turn of Tailwind. So, I am faster than these guys, definitely. That is gonna take a Raichu, even if he... Even if he protects. Let's go for Hurricane. Hurricane or Weather Ball. But we have a chance to, like... Who do I go for? Hurricane or Weather Ball? I think Hurricane have a chance to confuse the stupid Sylveon, so... Earthquake. Oh, well, Raichu's dead. Raichu's dead. I can still lose this though, if Sylveon somehow survives this, which... Yeah. Good thing I'm faster. Hurricane should KO. Okay, I lose. Confused? Dude, hit yourself in confusion, please. If not, I lose. Oh my... Whew. That's crazy. Rain stopped. I have... Ooh. That is crazy. I lose. If I don't hit this Hurricane, I lose. Because Weather Ball does nothing. Do I KO without this? I mean, if I didn't play too bad. If I lose this... it goes for Protect. Goes to Protect. I should have gone for Tailwind just to make sure. Oh, he's trying to heal up. This guy's pretty good. Oh no! If I even lose this, I'm gonna post it. It's fine. Even if I lose, I'm gonna post it. Even if I lose, I'm gonna post it. Does this KO? Sylveon is pretty tanky. Whew. That was a good match, man. That was a good match. Dude, it's like, oh my gosh, that was fun to look at. Not gonna lie, that was pretty good. I mean, it's just Great Ball Tear, but I'm still getting used to the game. I'm not a good competitive Pokemon player. I'm now starting out, so this is pretty good. Great Ball rank, that's pretty. That was good though. Not gonna lie. This is the team I used. My Rain team, Mega Swampert, Arcalodon, yada 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 team, and I decided to use Golden over Metagross because I just think that Metagross is. I just can't use it. I really can't use it. It's really hard for me to use. So yeah.